So apparently the average smartphone user checks their phone more than 70 times a day, which is why the glance screen is so important. Now we've made a couple of improvements to the glance screen with Lumia Black, the first of which is that you can now add up to 5 notifications here. So you can see your latest WhatsApp messages, Gmails, Outlook messages, missed calls, text messages and more, all at a glance without needing to wake up the phone. The other way that we've improved the glance screen is by adding some extra colors for when it's in night mode. So I just go into my glance screen settings, I select night mode, and here I have a choice between red, green and blue, all of which are easier on the eye at night. I'm going to select green. We're going to dim the lights, I'm going to bring up the glance screen, and there it is. So once you've got Lumia Black on your phone, you can go to the Windows Phone store and download Nokia Camera, which I've pinned to the start screen here. And immediately you can see what we've done here is combine 3 camera modes into a single interface. You've got video, Nokia Smart Camera, and Nokia Pro Camera, which we're going to look at here. Now what Nokia Pro Camera allows you to do is change all of the settings most commonly used in photography. Things such as white balance, focus, light sensitivity, and more. So you can actually see what your picture is going to look like before you take it. So a new Nokia application that makes use of both the amazing Lumia camera and the free navigation software we have in the phone is Storyteller. Basically, Storyteller puts your pictures in a chronological timeline. You can also open the pictures and then pinch to zoom out and see exactly where they were taken on a map. And you can just keep scrolling through your story, wherever it takes you in the world. And that's what Storyteller is all about. Obviously, your stories can be as long or as short as you want. It's completely up to you. Another new development is the update to Nokia Beamer, which basically turns your phone into a remote projector, so you can share whatever's on your screen with an internet-connected TV, a computer, or with another smartphone. Let's take a look. To share my Lumia screen, I simply select Share Remotely, and then I send a link to one of my contacts. This is handy, for instance, if you want to share your location. I just open Here Maps on my phone, and my contact can see exactly the same on her phone. To share to an internet-connected TV or computer, I just select Share Nearby. I scan the QR code, update my phone. Now whatever I see on my screen is also on the TV screen. This is really handy if I want to share office documents, for instance. So as I change this PowerPoint presentation on the phone, it changes on the TV as well.